Hello children, welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Beena, your math teacher. Children, today we are going to discuss about the topic nature of the roots. Okay, so using the discriminant, we can easily define the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots means whether the given quadratic equation has two roots or no roots or equal roots. Okay, so let's see how to check the nature of the roots using discriminant. So watch the video carefully. All of us know the general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a, b, c are respectively the coefficients of x square, x and constant term. Okay. Now see the expression b square minus 4ac. Listen, b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. Okay, discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So using the discriminant, we can easily state the nature of the roots. Suppose b square minus 4ac equal to 0. That is discriminant equal to 0. Then we can say that the given quadratic equation has two equal roots. Okay, the two roots are equal or same if the discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now, if b square minus 4ac is a positive quantity means greater than 0, then the two roots are real and distinct. Okay, real and distinct. Distinct means different. Now see the third one, b square minus 4ac less than 0. Less than 0 means our discriminant is a negative number. If the discriminant value is a negative number, then we can say that the given quadratic equation has no roots. Okay, no roots. So students, you must study well all these three results. When the discriminant equal to 0, then the roots are equal. When the discriminant is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. And when the discriminant is less than 0, then there is no roots. Okay. Now let's see how to check the nature of roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay. So we are going to discuss some exercise question given in your textbook. Exercise 4.4. Listen the first set of question. We want to check the nature of the roots. Okay. So using discriminant, we can easily check the nature of roots. Listen children, look at this quadratic equation. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Now find the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So this is equal to minus 3 square minus 4 into a, 2 into c, 5. Minus 3 square is 9. 4 into 2, 10. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 5, 40. So 9 minus 40 is minus 31. This is a negative value, that is less than 0. So if the discriminant b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there is no roots. Okay, there is no real roots. Next question. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. We want to find nature of this quadratic equation. So listen. First we have to write a, b and c. Here a is equal to 3, b equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. Then find the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. Just to put all the values here. Now negative square is positive. 4 square is 16. Root 3 square is 3. So 16 into 3, 48. Minus 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 3, 48. 48 minus 48 gives 0. That is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Discriminant is equal to 0 means the roots are same or the equation having equal roots. Okay. And the roots are given by minus b by 2a. These are the roots. So no need to use quadratic formula to obtain the roots. Simply put the values in this expression. We get the roots. So what are the roots? Roots are minus b, that is minus 4 root 3 by 2 into a, 2 into 3. Minus into minus plus. So 4 root 3 by 2 into 3. Here we can cancel 4 and 2, root 3 and 3. Okay. So that the answer is 2 by root 3. So these are the equal roots. Okay. That is 2 by root 3 comma 2 by root 3 are the roots of the equation 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay. Next question. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Here what is A? A is equal to 2. What is B? B is equal to minus 6. C is equal to 3. Now find the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So b square is minus 6 square minus 4 into a, that is 2, into c, that is 3. Now minus 6 square is 36. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, 24. So 36 minus 24 is 12, which is a positive quantity, that is greater than 0. So b square minus 4ac greater than 0 means there are exactly two roots, and the two roots are two real distinct roots. Okay, two real distinct roots, and these roots are obtained by using the quadratic formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. We know how to find quadratic formula or how to use quadratic formula to obtain the roots. Okay. So put all the values here. Minus b. B is minus 6. So what is minus b? It is 6. Plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. That we already calculated. B square minus 4ac is 12 divided by 2 into a. What is a? A is equal to 2. So this is 6 plus or minus root 12 by 4. That is the roots are 6 plus root 12 by 4 or 6 minus root 12 by 4. Either you write this as the final one or simplified mode. That is, here this root 12 can be written as root of 4 into 3. Root of 4 into 3 is same as 2 root 3. So 6 plus root 12 by 4 can be written as 6 plus 2 root 3 by 4. Here we can cancel 2 because 2 is a common factor. So take it outside. So this is 3 plus 2 root 3. Sorry, root 3 by 4. So finally we got 3 plus root 3 by 2. Similarly 3 minus root 3 by 2. So these are the roots of the given equation. Okay.